Hey guys, hello. I'm preparing this video to demonstrate the bank reconciliation feature inside Odoo. Now, before we go ahead with the reconciliation statement feature, uh, I like to discuss two cases over here with the bank statement reconciliation. The first scenario is we are reconciling an open invoice against the bank statement line. Okay, so suppose there is an invoice, we have validated it, but we did not register the payment inside Odoo. And when we import or create a new bank statement, the invoice will be paid against the bank statement line. That is scenario number one. The second scenario is we have already registered the payment for the invoice. Now we just need to confirm that registered payment with our bank account. I mean, the payment entry for the invoice is already been created inside Odoo. The journal entry is already created inside Odoo. So Odoo, inside Odoo, the bank journal balance will be updated with the payment. But we need to confirm that if that payment has been received inside our actual bank account or not. So for that, we will take bank statement for our actual account and reconcile that with the payment inside the Odoo. So two scenario. One, we are reconciling invoice against the actual bank account statement. Second, we are reconciling the payment against the actual bank account statement. Alright. So first of all, I will try to explain the scenario number one, in which we will reconcile the opened invoice against the bank statement line. Alright. So I'm creating a new invoice here. $23,500 and validate. Okay, now suppose we do not register this payment over here. Okay, we keep it open. Now I will go to the accounting dashboard, and over here we have the bank journal. For now, for the sake of simplicity, I have kept only one bank journal, but in real scenario, suppose we have MasterCard, we have Visa, we have this, we have that. I mean, there can be so many bank journals. So we have to create a statement using which the actual payment has been done. Okay, so I will create a new bank statement with this payment journal over here. Alright, save and reconcile. So when I reconcile it, it redirects us to the bank reconciliation interface. You can see these two lines are automatically reconciled, selected against each other. This is the line that I created as a bank statement line, and this is the opened invoice. You can see it is automatically selected. Okay, now very simple, you just need to click the reconcile button. So it's done. So now if you go back to the accounting dashboard, you see balance in journal ledger for bank account is 23,500. Okay, and how it affects the journal entries, it created a payment journal entry. You can see it debits the bank account and it credits the account receivable. Alright, so this is the first scenario. Well, it depends on the actual practice that accountant is following. If they are keeping all the invoices open until the end of the month, and when the bank account, bank statement is received from the bank, and they reconcile it with the Odoo system, at that time all invoices will be paid at once against the bank statement. This is the practice for which this scenario is useful. Now suppose there is another scenario, there is another practice that accountant is following. We are registering payment right on the date when the payment has been made. Okay, suppose on the 5th of the May the payment has been made, so we have registered that payment inside Odoo. Now at the end of the month we are actually receiving the bank statement from the bank. So at that point of time we need to reconcile that if our registered payment inside Odoo system is actually there inside bank statement or not. Okay, please note here, the only difference is in first scenario invoice is kept open, in this scenario invoice is already paid. Okay, so now I will try to demonstrate this scenario. Okay, I'm gonna create a new invoice. Right, 2100. Save, validate, and register payment. Validate. Alright. So now if you go back to the bank, sorry, accounting dashboard, you can see the balance in general ledger is 25,600, but it says the difference is 2,100 because we have received this amount in Odoo, but we did not confirm that if that account is actually received in our bank account or not. Alright, so to remove this difference, we need to create a bank statement and we need to reconcile the payment with the bank statement line. Alright, so for that I will create a new bank statement. I'm sorry, I'll just need to check the amount. Okay, it's 22,100. Save and reconcile. So you see the accounting entry for the payment is automatically selected against the bank statement line over here. Now when I click reconcile, it will not create any additional journal entry. It will just mark that this journal entry has been reconciled with the bank statement. Alright, so I will click reconcile and that's it, it's done. Alright, now if you go back to the accounting dashboard, you will see in the bank journal the difference amount is removed and it says that balance in journal ledger is 25,600 and latest statement is 25,600. That means all the balance that we have in the journal ledger, it's already been reconciled with the latest statement because the value in both of this field are exactly same. So it's pretty simple process with the bank statement reconciliation over here. All we need to do is to create a new bank statement and system will automatically detect that against which line this particular bank statement line, I mean against which invoice or payment a particular bank statement line should be reconciled, and once you click the reconcile, rest will be automatically managed by the system. So that's it. I hope it clears it pretty much. Still if we have any doubts or we need to discuss something, we can do it over the call. Thank you.